Hello, friends. Welcome to this amazing video wherein I want to connect with all the CA Foundation students who have cleared their exams in the Jan 2025. Welcome to CA Intermediate. Guys, this video is very important for all of you, and I'm going to share some things with you which is very helpful. First of all, let me start by congratulating you. Many congratulations on clearing your CA Foundation. It's a huge milestone, and many more milestones are going to come in your life. All the best wishes for that. Now, before I start this video, let me first of all introduce myself because I don't teach anything in CA Foundation, so I'm sure you must not have come across me. So let me just give you a brief introduction about myself. My name is Shubham Singhal, and I call myself as your CA buddy. You will realize that during the course of your preparation, that why people call me CA buddy, because I bring a lot of content which is helpful for you. Okay, and not only to help you clear your law exams, but for you to become a chartered accountant also. So basically, that is why I call myself your CA buddy. There are three things that you should know about me. Number one, I had cleared my CA back in November 2020, back in 2018, and God was kind enough, so I was able to secure an All India rank 4 in that. Number two, I have done my articleship from a Big Four, which is Deloitte. I have done my articleship from there in the statutory audit department. And the third and the most important thing that I want to share with you is in the recent results that came out for CA Intermediate. A All India rank one, Dipanshi Agrawal was my student, and I'm very happy and proud about that because it goes to show that the methods that you're using in your teaching is actually helping students. Okay, guys, now listen to me very carefully. What is this video all about, sir? This video is now that you're thinking where to take your classes from, which faculties to consider, and what not. Should I take face to face? Should I join one academy and everything? You have a lot of questions in your mind. But there is something that you need to know from my side, which is you should consider my CA Intermediate Law batch, which is the regular exam oriented batch, which I just finished recording 1 month ago. Sir, but I want to take face to face. Probably you can consider taking few subjects face to face and few subjects online, and law could be one of them. Just a thought, but listen to me very carefully, sir. Number one, sir, our law syllabus, we are going to finish the whole syllabus of law in just 100 hours. We have already finished it. In 100 hours, we are going to finish it. And in that, sir, you will get 100% coverage of ICAI module. You do not need to study from the ICAI module beyond that. My books will be more than enough for you. Sir, are you going to provide books also to, or do we have to buy separately? Guys, you will get my books along with the classes if you purchase law separately. But if you purchase the subscription model from Shrestha Academy, you will have to purchase the book separately. But along with the classes that you purchase just for law, you're going to get the books also. And the books that I'm going to provide you is my biggest strength and will become your biggest strength also because, sir, the concept notes that I'm talking about, the concept notes I have summarized in just 200 pages, and it is a pure conceptual summary of ICI module. Beyond these 200 pages of books, you don't need to read anything else, not even a single page from anywhere. I can promise you that. Your 100 marks of paper will be from this book that I provide you. And number two, you'll get a question bank, which is color coded, has the keywords highlighted in red, and contains all the past RTPs, MTPs, suggested answer. Everything is there in that. So nothing beyond these two books, you don't have to go anywhere else. So let me show you my books quickly. So this is my question bank. As you can see, there is a question number, then there is the attempt reference, and then you see the answer in which the keywords are highlighted. And also, when you take these books, I promise you that you'll get the most updated books. So you'll get the Jan'25 questions also included in this. The exam that just happened, you're going to get the questions included in this. And after that, if you come at the next book, so this is my summary notes. If you see my summary notes, the concept book, the index, if you look at it, it is completely summarized in just 200 pages. And apart from that, if you see, you will see that it is color coded. It is very neatly and cleanly designed for ease of your reference, and you'll love the books. I promise you that. With a lot of confidence, I can promise you that you'll love the books completely. Apart from that, sir, let me tell you that we are going to do a lot of writing in the class. I'm going to make you make a lot of notes, at least 300 pages notes you are going to make in the class along with me in the class itself. Apart from that, sir, I'll take your test also, and not only test, sir, I'll take total 11 tests, 8 chapter wise, 2 semester, and 1 full mock test. And these tests, listen to me very carefully, will not only be written by you, but also be checked by a team of all India rank holders that I have. So in the past 3 attempts, all the rank holders that were there, I have asked them to join my team. I pay them to get your paper checked. So not only will they give you marks, but they'll also give you insights on how can you make your paper better. So I think these kind of inputs directly from an all India ranker who has just cleared an exam will give you an edge which you'll not get anywhere, my friend. And sir, I'll also give MCQs, discussion and question bank. So this is everything about the live exam, regular exam oriented batch that we already had, and you can purchase the recorded. It is absolutely relevant for Jan 2026 as well as September 25, 100% amended. Apart from that, guys, there is one offer for you. If you purchase before 15th of March, I have reduced the prices and you can get it just for 5,000 rupees, including books. So probably you don't have to go to any other place, give 10, 15,000 rupees just for law, just 5,000 rupees including book. And these are the things that you're going to get. Sir, where can I purchase this, sir? Sir, in the description, you will get a website link of shubhamsinghal.com. There also you can purchase, but be careful that you are purchasing the 100% English product. And number two, you can also buy it from Ram Harsha sir's website, which is Shrestha for CACMA. Apart from that, you can individually purchase law also, or you can consider the subscription model that Ram Harsha sirs provide, which is also very important and very interesting concept. You should consider that also. But if you are looking for some law classes and if you're looking to learn the ranker's way to ace your CA intermediate, then this is your go-to solution. Go to these things, purchase the lectures, enjoy them. If you face any difficulty, I'm here. All your doubts will be solved on a daily basis. All your tests will be checked on a daily basis, and you'll get full support till you clear your CA intermediate and also till you become a chartered accountant. All right, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any thoughts or questions, do let me know in the comment. I'll get back to you. And if you like this video, do make sure that you hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Keep going. This is your CA buddy Shubham Singhal signing off. Bye bye.